Good morning everybody, Sabah al-Khair, and welcome back to beautiful Doha here in Qatar. The World Cup games of course are a great way to see the football, but for me it's also an incredible way to finally show the truth about Islam and the entire religion. So what I've done this morning is I've driven about 20 minutes west of downtown Doha to a place called Education City, and I'm beginning my time here at the beautiful Education City Mosque. So the Education City Mosque is actually inside the Minaretain building, which rests on 5 pillars, all representing the 5 pillars of Islam. And as you can see, all of them covered in one of the verses from the beautiful Holy Quran. So inside the main prayer room, it can fit 1,800 worshippers, but also a further 1,000 worshippers outside of the main courtroom. One thing I love about this area though, inside the Education City, is this area doesn't just serve as a way of prayer. It's also an incredible education city, educating you about the real Islam, the real truth, and everything else in between. I love it. Let's take a look inside. So I've just arrived here inside the beautiful building, and this area is stunning, surrounded by a beautiful garden. That is peaceful water flowing through the entire area. This area is so peaceful, always with mosques anyway, but this entire complex is sublime. It's so amazing. So you can reach the beautiful Education City by tram, and just in front of me are the incredible botanical gardens. I'll take you inside now. This area is so peaceful and so calm, which is pretty much on the opposite of what the media actually says about Islam in general. The media where I'm from in England are very negative about Islam and the religion in general. And for me, this is my Islam. It's so peaceful, so kind, and such a positive religion. And I think media really need to change their ideas. And I think this is what is so good about being here at the World Cup, is it's finally time where the world are looking on the World Cup to present the right idea of Islam, the correct idea of Islam. And for me, it's an incredible time to be here. So the Quranic Botanical Gardens are a one-of-a-kind location in the whole world. These actually exhibit species that can be found in the Holy Quran and also native species that can be found here in beautiful Qatar. So one place I really had to check out here in Qatar is the Media Majlis here at Northwestern University. This is an area for people to really explore journalism and communication through press, publications and exhibitions. In a world where people's voices are being silenced, for example in Palestine, these areas are so important for people to be able to explore their voices through diversity and perspectives. So if you're here in Qatar, this is one place I really highly recommend to come and visit. Not only is it peaceful and you escape the downtown craziness of the World Cup, but you also get to learn about the real Islam, which for me is so important. So definitely come here and enjoy your time.